Cool, huh, Maggie? Wow, check out the view from up here. This is amazing, huh? This is cool. I dig this. I'm glad you talked me into this singles vacation on the Great Wall, Maggie. You're a good pooch, always looking out for me. Let's go check it out over here, yeah. Oh, this is cool, man. Very cool. Hello.
Hey! Oh wow, what a cute dog you have.
Thanks, yeah, this is Maggie.
Oh wow, hi Maggie, how are you?
She loves giving kisses.
Oh, she's so affectionate.
She's a cutie pie.
So, what's your name?
My name's Chris.
Oh hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. Nice to meet you.
I'm here from Los Angeles.
Oh, weird. So am I.
Oh cool, that's great. That's really interesting. So, you haven't met my dog yet, have you? This is
Oh,
Rocky.
hey, what's up, little killer? Ooh, she looks kind of scary. Is she all right in there?
Yeah, she just likes to sleep a lot. She's a big sleeper.
Oh, she kind of looks like a marsupial in a little pouch.
A marsupial? Oh, you mean a monkey?
No, not a monkey.
Wait,
Like a kangaroo.